Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities exercise 6.3 question number 8. Let's see the question. Solve the following inequalities graphically. So we are going to solve it by graph. Here the given question is x plus y is less than or equal to 9. So x plus y is less than or equal to 9 is your first solution. Here the second one is x is greater than y is greater than x. Then other one is x is greater than or equal to 0. Now let's plot the graph. Before that we need to get the solution of x and y, but for inequalities we don't know the solution, so we are going to take it to be equal to. So let x plus y is equal to 9. In this case let x is equal to y. In this case let x is equal to 0. Now we are going to take 3 points of x, 3 graph points. So if I take x to be equal to 0, my y will be equal to 9. If I take x to be 1, y will be equal to 8. Now for the second one, both are equal. So x will be equal to 0, y 0, x 1, y 1. For the third point, x is 0. So if you substitute any point of x, any point of y, your x will be equal to 0. Now we will plot the point on the graph. Here this is your graph. 0, 9 is your first thing. So 0, 9 is here. Now 1, 8. 1, 8 is here. Extend the line. This is your first graph. For the second one, 0, 0, 1, 1, it will be join the point, extend the line. So this is your second equation graph. Your third equation will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. It will be on your y-axis. This is your third graph. We'll check a point. We'll take any point. I'm going to take 1, 2 because it will be of common to all the three. So I'm taking 1, 2 for all the three. 1, 2. Substitute the point. While substituting the point 1, 2, it becomes 3 is less than 9. So it is true. Here 2 is greater than 1. This is also true. Here if I substitute 1 is greater than 0, even this is true. Therefore the shaded region should be towards the point 1, 2. So your shaded region will be towards the point 1, 2. Therefore the common shaded will show you the solution. Therefore the common shaded region shows the solution of the inequality. Now let us mark it on your graph. This is your solution point. So it should be for the first graph it should be on the graph. So this is the shaded region for the first. For the second graph it should be on this point, so it will be like this way. For the third one, this is your line for the third one. It should be on the thing, so it will be of this part. So this is the common place of both the so it is more than enough if you shade only the common part. So this is the common part of both the three. So this is your solution. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.